Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer and we've had these Converse shoes brought in for a little repair. With your Converse, you will know as they flex, these bits here start to come off. They start to lift. The other one was worse, but I've already stitched it. So what we've done here, I don't know if you can see that, we've stitched all the way around so that that never happens again. And just keeps them nice and tight where they flex. Can you see that stitch in there? Look, that's it, all the way around. Yep, lovely. Just something we do here at the Shoe Healer. Hugo, is it Hugo Boss? Hugo Boss. Oh yeah, it says there. Yeah, Hugo Boss. But they don't do much with the boss anymore, so it's just Hugo. Pair of trainers here, and these facings here are rubber where the lace goes. Look at that, look, just squeeze it and it splits. It's goosed. So the customer brought them in and said, what can you do with these? And I said, well, I don't know, I'm not really sure. We can't put eyelets in because the lace has got to come back out somewhere. So I said, what about some walking boot, silver walking boot fasteners on there like that? Now, might look a bugger, but it might not. Might be okay. So we'll have a go, see what they turn out like. I shall post a picture when we've done.